How Sheet2Doc writes Excel data into Word templates. Prepare a docx Word template with data placeholders in brackets, name, competition, award, etc. In this demo, there is an image placeholder prize photo. Afterwards, prepare an Excel table with headers, name, competition, award, and prize photo, and also ready the images for watch and battery bank. Now sideload Sheet2Doc add-in from Excel. First step in Sheet2Doc add-in is to select data table with headers in first row, then click on selected button, then preview selected data. Following optional step is to upload images, in this case, upload watch and battery bank images. Make sure image file names match data in prize photo column. Second step in Sheet2Doc add-in is to upload docx Word template. Once uploaded, you can see a comparison table given to show if there are any errors in templates or Excel data sheet. Last step is to click on Generate button and see generated file. In this video, we check one file, which is the second row of Excel data. If you would like to use conditional placeholder, QR code placeholder or other placeholders, please refer to the documentation page in Sheet2Doc.